guys, today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure, so let's get started. So I got a couple new things. I got the scaling tool, I got the screwdriver, and I got a helicopter seat, and then I have new purple jets from the Game Pass, and then I have this. So yeah, let's get building. But first I have to clear everything off my plot. So I'm going to erase this, and we're going to try to build a quick money grinder. So I heard about this really simple idea. All you need is around 40 of any square blocks. You go like this, and then we actually put it like this. And to check how many studs, you press this little thing and make sure it's at 21. And then make sure the middle number is 6. So that's around 40 blocks. And then what you do next is you add a helicopter seat. A pilot seat or a car seat. This one is recommended more, but if you want, you can use the other one. And then the next thing is you will need either a purple jet or a red jet from the shop. So I'm going to use a purple one, and we're going to test this out. And hopefully it goes quick. So all you need is to place it right about right here. And then you just move your thing. So you move it right here. Well, actually you guys should just put it right here in the first place, but there. And then what you add, and then you need one of these. So if you want to go really fast. So let's get started. So this is like the absolute quickest you can go with this thing. It's pretty fast in my opinion. And then you can just control it manually. So yeah. So let's see how far we can get. So now we're at the flower island. It's taking a while to load. I don't know why, but it's just these mushrooms. And then let's see what the next one is. Oh, it's the baseball island. So all you really have to do is dodge the baseballs. And yeah. I think you're fine if you just stay still. Yeah, you're fine if you just stay still. And just make sure to watch out in this part. And that's it, yeah. This one's just get through it. And I'll let you guys know if we encounter a problem. But usually you can get to the end really quickly. So now we're at the RB battles thing. You just have to watch out for these because they go in front of you. And then there's like these little spikes on the floor. So make sure, like that, just make sure to dodge it. For this one, you want to try to go a little bit higher. Not too high because there's tentacles up there. But if you don't go high enough, the tentacles will grab you. This one's pretty easy. All you have to do is pass. It's recommended to dodge these and just go like really high. So it felt a little bit out of control, but I think I'm fine. The car's going out of control. But we're fine. We just have to go right through this. Oh no. So sometimes it speeds up randomly, and that's where you encounter usually issues. And it's hard to control. But then after a little bit, it gets better. So right here we fell because of the loss of control. But we got to the second to last island, which is pretty good for a pretty slow boat. So that's one of the slower ways. There's a faster way, and I'm going to show you guys how to build. final build. It's just like gonna be really fast, so let's turn it on and go as fast as possible. Sometimes it just glitches like that, so yeah. We're gonna retry it and see if we can find a better way to build it. Okay. So I think instead of building a jet, we should build maybe like let's think. Maybe like a house or something. I know it's buildable for treasure, but sometimes it's fun to build something. So we're gonna try to build like a boat. So when I'm done, I'll come back to you guys and show you. So we're gonna put this here, and we're gonna get launching. And let's go. So we're gonna try to get a lot of these balloons up first, just so the booster doesn't mess it up. Just put it up here. And just like this, you can make it to the end pretty good if you have it decently controlled. Just like this, and this is a really good boat. And then you just jump out right here. You can't make it completely to the end since the boat can't go down. So yeah. So that's basically how you build a really simple boat. You could make it really balanced, which this is the next one I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna do a quick build. It's the same thing,
build
just
an enhanced version so it can be more balanced. So
this is the final build, and then all you need to do is add a booster like the last one. And then there's the build. Oh, but preferably you should try to put it like this in the middle. And then there's someone right there. So we're gonna launch. We're gonna put one. Make sure to put one of these balloons up before, and then. Oh, seems like it didn't work. It's really easy. I just have really bad control over it. So you're gonna pop this one. And I messed it up, okay. So that's basically how you build like a balloon boat. Just in this video, I'm gonna say that I actually lost my Roblox account for the Pet Simulator X video that I just posted, so I'm gonna make a new one and try to progress off camera on it. So yeah. So next we're gonna try to build a flying what's it called? An air balloon that goes in the air. So you're gonna need like this. You're gonna put any blocks like this. Then you're gonna put another block like this. Make sure to raise it if you accidentally put it in the floor. Then you go like this. And then you place another block like this. Make sure to raise it. Now put it like this. I know that it's a little bit unstable, but it should be fine. And then like this. Put a chair. Any chair. Preferably you should put a helicopter chair. And then like that. And then we're gonna make the roof of it. So I forgot to say this, but you have to extend this a little bit higher. So preferably I would use this block or a block that you have a lot of, and then just go like this and do it all on one side. just like this, and then up. And you should just go like that. Build it up. Make sure you shrink it like this so the wall becomes thinner. Then place it back up. And same thing with this one. Extend it. Go up. And then push it in. And then right here. Actually, I messed up a little bit, so we're gonna place it a little bit like this. Then we're gonna go like this, place it like this, up, and shrink. And then all you need is the roof, so next we're gonna do this, like this. You're gonna need around 50 to 60 balloons for this one. So we're gonna get a couple balloons so we can make the rest. So we're gonna spend about 10. So just 50 balloons, which is what we need. But we need more like 60. So it's good to have extras. What you do is you just extend this into a platform. Like this. Go like this, and go like this, and go like, and then we're gonna make a little door thing. So we're gonna make a hole like right, we're gonna have to, I have to redo this, but no. Make sure it's slightly off ground. Like this. I'm gonna have to go in through the inside. Sorry, I guess I have to rebuild the floor. But yeah, so it's basically like that. We have to make sure it's slightly off ground. And then just add the balloons next. Extend it to right like this. And then just add some extras. And then, oh, you have to balance it, sorry. But you have to balance it. So you just go like this. Like this, like this, and like this. And now it's balanced. And here's where you need a screwdriver. If you don't have a screwdriver, this one works. You press select all and then put not anchored. Just like this. Oh, I fell somehow. So you're gonna want to leave the chair is the only thing that you're gonna want to leave anchored so it doesn't go out. I messed it up, but I have to let it spin a little bit since it's not gonna work the other way. So just leave everything but the chair unanchored. And like that. I'm gonna have to rebuild the chair really quick. So let's do that. And make sure that all the blocks are connected so none of them fall. So you can use like glue blocks. So like that. And then you just add your chair and you're ready to launch. Like this, put a helicopter plane. Someone's disrupting my thing. So we're gonna launch. And then as you can see, these are really big balloon. Note that this only goes up. Oh, and then this is what I mean that you have to connect all the blocks. But still a cool thing to see. It's like a really big balloon. And yeah. So that's all for this video. I'll see you guys in the next buildable video. Hopefully I have better ideas than this time. So yeah, bye.